The Skin Chef is back with yet another exciting video. In today's video, we will be diving deep into one of the most misunderstood but yet powerful skincare bases, which is the African black soap. African black soap is versatile and it can be customized to suit a wide range of skin concerns. Whether you are treating acne, hyperpigmentation, dull skin, or you just want a natural glow. I have been formulating for the past 10 years, and within this time, I have received countless complaints from different skincare vendors, aspiring formulators who are struggling to get it right. Some of the most complained and issues I have come across are: my black soap does not foam, it smells awful after a few days, it becomes watery or it separates, it dry out the skin, and so much more. At the Jimira Institute of Cosmetology and Aesthetics, we have decided to do something about this. We will be hosting a masterclass on African black soap formulation, a detailed science-backed class designed to take guesswork out of formulating. In this class, you will learn everything you need to know about African black soap, from history to formulation science, how African black soap interacts with the skin, and why some people experience dryness or irritation, the best ingredient to incorporate into black soap for brightening, for lightening, for anti-aging, for skin repair, and lots more. How to properly balance the pH so your soap will be safe and effective. The right techniques to enhance your black soap using fruits, herb, veggies without causing spoilage or bad odor. This is not just a class, it is an opportunity to master what many are still struggling with. If you are serious about elevating your formulation game and creating black soap that works, feel luxurious, and deliver visible results, this is the moment. Stay tuned for more information. This particular video you are watching, yes, this is actually me making African black soap. Are you surprised? You should not be. African black soap is one of the most versatile skincare bases you can ever work with. You can customize it to whatever you want it to be, whether for lightening, for brightening, for treating of acne, anti-aging, for exfoliation, or even for children. I have been formulating African black soap for the past 10 years, and trust me, I have made my fair share of mistakes, trials and errors, failure, and finally, mastery. Why I have decided to put up together a powerful, practical, and science-based masterclass on African black soap formulation happening at the end of April. Who is this class for? If you are still struggling to make an effective, safe black soap that actually delivers results, your black soap smells after a few days of production, you want to perfect your formulation techniques and gain confidence. You are tired of using bleaching agents and you want to switch to skin-loving natural ingredient that works. You don't understand how to balance the pH of your African black soap and it is causing dryness and reactions. You want to learn how to create different types of black soap for acne, for detox, for using fruits, using veggies and herbs. You are a skincare vendor or aspiring formulator looking to stand out in the market with premium black soap products, then this training is for you. You have been selling black soap but it keeps fermenting or separating after adding herbs, fruit, or extract, then this training is for you. You want to understand the science behind this ingredient and that you want to add to your black soap. You want to create last-longing stable black soap product with proper shelf life and preservative techniques, then this soap is for you. It is time to learn, unlearn, and relearn. It is time to stop guessing and start formulating with precision. Whether you are a beginner or you are an experienced formulator, this black soap masterclass will transform how you see and create African black soap. This is not just another class, it is an elevation. Segment 1. You are going to learn the brief history of African black soap. How African black soap is originated. You are going to learn about the basic ingredient that is used in making African black soap. In segment 2, you are going to learn how to customize African black soap using herbs, using fruit extract, using clays, using powder, using different ingredients, using foaming agent to boost your black soap that is suitable for both face and body. A lot of people don't use black soap on their face because it dry out their face and it also irritates their skin. But in this training, you are going to learn the ingredient you can include in your African black soap to make it mild for the face. When you start using this soap, you are going to love the result you will get. In this segment 3, you are going to learn the act of enhancing your black soap using fruit that lightens, that brightens, not bleaching agent. You are going to use fruit extract that is going to brighten, reduce hyperpigmentation, anti-inflammation, clear blemishes, skin healing ingredient, tyrosinate inhibitors, ingredient that is going to calm redness, different ingredients that you are going to work with. This segment 4, you are going to learn, a lot of people complain that their black soap smells. So we are going to teach you the reason why your black soap smells and how to fix it. So you are going to learn all that. In the segment 5, you are going to learn, the black soap, the pH of black soap is very high. You are going to learn how to balance it to your normal skin pH in order for you to use it without it irritating your skin. Segment 6, you are going to learn how to customize your black soap to different skin issues and skin concerns, using fruits, using veggies, using herbs, and so on and so forth. In segment 5, you are going to learn how to use natural surfactant to help boost your black soap, to help deep cleanse your pores, fight acne-causing bacteria. You are going to learn how to use ingredients that are high in antioxidants that is going to help in your black soap formulation. So this is going to be a physical class. If you have ever struggled with formulating black soap, or your black soap is smelling, separating, not foaming, not effective, then this class is for you, because we are not just going to teach you recipes. We are going to teach you how to create your own formulas suitable for different skin type and different skin concerns. For you to be a professional, you should be able to formulate different products for different skin type, different skin issues. So we are going to teach you everything you need to know about all this. So don't miss out on this class. Don't miss out on this class. We've been getting different kind of messages concerning this class. So you asked and we have listened. We have received countless messages and DMs from skincare vendors, aspiring formulators, and professionals who are struggling to create effective, safe, and well-balanced African black soap. At the Demira Institute of Cosmetology and Aesthetics, we have taken your feedback seriously, and we are excited to introduce our upcoming masterclass, which will take place at the end of April. The masterclass on African black soap formulation. This isn't your regular everyday training. This is fully structured, science-based, polytechnic standard program. Here is what makes this masterclass different. Duration is going to be a 1 week full of intensive learning. Institution, it is hosted by the Demira Institute of Cosmetology and Aesthetics, a government-approved institution registered under the National Board for Technical Education. We are going to use structured curriculum, just like a proper polytechnic program, no guesswork or shortcut. Presentation and examination. Yes, you will present, you will choose a topic. You can decide to customize brightening black soap, lightening black soap. You choose the black soap you want to customize. You do a presentation telling us why you use different ingredients, and you are going to sit for an examination. It is part of the requirement. Certification, only those who pass will be certified. What you are taught is what you are going to be examined on. Real-world application, we teach what works, backed by science and years of experience. Limited slots available. We are keeping this class small for maximum impact and individual attention. Who is this class for? Anyone struggling to make African black soap that does not spoil, smell, or separate. Vendors tired of using bleaching agents like skin-free make to make their black soap and are ready to create safe and effective herbal soap, then this class is for you. Skincare business owner ready to scale their skill and increase their income. Aspiring formulators and professionals looking for standard accredited training, then this training is for you. Anyone who wants to understand why their black soap fails and want to fix it once and for all, then this training is for you. Don't miss this great opportunity. It is time to stop trials and errors and start formulating like a professional. It is time to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Master the act of African black soap. Ready to reserve a slot? Send us a message. All our details will be at the description box. So send us a message and book for your slot. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. If you want me to make a proper video of this, African black soap I'm making it for a client in Canada. She has been buying from us since 2020 during that COVID period, and she has been buying her product till now. I'm going to post her videos. She bought product worth 7 million naira. She is now our distributor in Canada. So this is the product I'm making for her. So we are finished making the product. We are waiting for DHL to come and pick up. So I'm going to make a proper video telling you the ingredients I use in making this product for her. So if you want to see the full video of this black soap, then leave a comment in my comment section. Thank you so much. See you all in my next video.